If you want to disable two-factor authentication on your Coinbase account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed correctly. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Visit the Coinbase website or open the mobile app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, go to the Account Settings. Look for the Security tab or section where you can manage your security features. Step 3. Find two-factor authentication. In the Security Settings, locate the option for two-factor authentication. This may be labeled as 2FA or two-step verification. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Click on the option to disable or turn off two-factor authentication. You may be prompted to enter your password or provide a verification code to confirm your identity. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling 2FA, ensure that you receive a confirmation message or notification indicating that the feature has been successfully turned off. Check your account settings to verify that two-factor authentication is no longer active. By following these steps, you can easily turn off two-factor authentication on your Coinbase account. Always remember to keep your account secure by using strong passwords and monitoring your account activity.